If you eat honey every day, what happens to your body? First, your skin will become as smooth and soft as ever, because honey is a powerful natural moisturizer that deeply nourishes the skin and makes it glow. In addition, honey can also promote digestion, relieve indigestion and stomach upset. It can promote the secretion of stomach acid, help food better digestion and absorption. But that's not all. Your sleep quality will also improve. Eat a small spoonful of honey before going to bed every day to allow you to enter a deep and stable sleep. Honey also helps to eliminate infections and sore throats. Honey has antibacterial and antiviral properties that can boost the immune system and protect you from everyday illnesses. In addition, honey is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help keep you healthy and make you feel good. Although honey contains sugar, its natural sweetness may affect blood sugar levels more slowly than regular sugar, making it a better option for blood sugar control. If you drink coconut water every day, what happens to your body? It's a secret the doctor doesn't want you to know. First, it can help you lose weight more easily. Coconut water has a detoxifying effect and helps eliminate fat stored in the thighs or abdomen. Coconut water contains only 13 calories per 100 grams and is high in fiber, which helps increase satiety and reduce cravings for snacks. Second, coconut water is rich in fiber and digestive substances, which can promote intestinal motility and help digest food better. This allows you to digest food more efficiently and reduce gastrointestinal discomfort. Coconut water has powerful anti-aging effects. Coconut water is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals, molecules that cause skin aging. By drinking coconut water, you can enjoy its anti-aging effects and maintain youthful and healthy skin. Coconut water has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help fight urinary tract infections. It cleans the urethra, prevents the growth of bacteria, and keeps the urethral system healthy. Subscribe and like for more health tips.